Operating instructions. Factory settings. Any finger can unlock. Enter administrator fingerprint. Press the fingerprint and hold until the green light is on. Then enter the same fingerprint 8 times. A long beep indicates a success. Enter user fingerprints or press the administrator fingerprint and hold until the blue light is on. Then press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. Then enter the user's fingerprint 8 times. A long beep indicates a success. Factory reset. Delete administrator and user's fingerprint. Press the administrator fingerprint, hold until red light is on and press the administrator fingerprint to confirm. A long beep indicates a success. USB key. Plug the USB key into the Type-C interface to initialize. A long sound indicates a successful initialization. USB key is not allowed to use in the alarm state. Emergency charging. If the electricity runs out, users can use the USB for emergency supply.